Hi everyone, Deb here. Well, I am here with a small haul, and I'll explain why I did it. Well, this one I can't explain. I just decided that I wanted to expand another set of wax-based pencils. I had done the Prismacolor, which are oil-based, not Prismacolor. These are Prismacolor. Polychromos, which are oil-based. These are wax-based, as are the Arteza. So I actually got another one of those cases like I got for the Crayola pencils that holds 200. It's from the same company, BT Sky. This came in my mailbox just in this bag, and I do remember checking a box. No, just use vendor packaging. I didn't think it would be clear, just the clear bag that's in the warehouse, in my mailbox. And fortunately, the nice neighbor that got a package by accident from me one time takes walks in the around the time after the mail came, and she said, you might want to come out and get your mail in because there looks like a fun package sticking out of your mailbox, and before anybody else goes by and takes it. So anyway, I got that case from Amazon in a separate order because I ordered all these Prismacolor Premier individual pencils. And yes, I know it's a little more expensive that way, but I didn't want to get another set that would have duplicates in of the 48 I already have. These are wax based. I did swatch these in a color chart book I have over 2 pages, but I'm going to swatch them with these, and then also, I'm going to store in that same case these Arteza ones because they are also wax-based. And to my non-artistic, crafty hands, I think these to me feel very much like these. And a lot of the color names are very similar, or colors are very similar. So actually, I didn't buy some of these that I didn't have. I didn't buy quite a few, but there were some that I had in my cart, and I looked at the color names and colors of what I had for Arteza as well as what's in here, both 48 sets. And now I will have enough to almost fill that. I think I'll have like 148 or 150, something like that. Because you see, this is a 2-page color pencil order. And I will also say, plus I got 2 blender pens for $2.59, but or $2.69. These are from Blick Art Materials. They sell individual pencils. Amazon does too, but they actually were more. And because I ordered so many, I did get free shipping from Blick. Oops, just threw my address out there. So you can see I got a lot, right? So I'm going to be all set. I'm not going to bore you with putting them in the book, but I can on another video that I do or something show them in the case if you want. If not, you'll just see me use them sometime. Okay. And then I did do one more Amazon haul. I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of this. This haul came in one of these, which I love to use for journal covers because they're not too thick, but they're um, thick enough that you can put fabric over them or something, or I guess paper, but I would put fabric over this, and it makes a nice thick cover, and then you can stitch it. I had to tear this off carefully too, but I tore off my address label, and I'll tear this off. But I'll cover that anyway. So that's going to be used for some future junk journal. And sorry about that. I was saving another video. So the only 2 things I got is Martha Makes Art has a second coloring book. So I already shared the teddy bear one, which was this, Bold and Easy Coloring. I haven't used it yet. I'm sorry, Martha. But December, I will. And maybe even today. I don't know. I doubt it today. And this one is 30 pages of bold and easy coloring as well. There's the front with the cute fox in the snow globe with the hearts. And here's some samples. And before I get going through that, which I'm going to do in this video, I did get a Tombow Mono eraser, but it's not a battery operated. I have a battery operated eraser, which I'm keeping in the pouch that Jean's Gems gifted me because, okay, here it is. It's Tombow 57305 Mono Zero Eraser Round 2.3 mm, 1 pack, refillable. I did not buy the refills. There was only 1 pack left, and I thought, you know what, the eraser is pretty long. I don't really need that, so I'm going to put this in the same pencil case for now. And do you just, yeah, just see how small the eraser is? That's actually thinner than the one I have in my other battery operated one, which had been gifted to me. So, and now the other one does have the ability to go small like this, but I don't always need battery operated, and for travel, I would prefer not to take, not that I'm traveling anywhere soon, but I would prefer not to take battery operated if I travel. So, yeah, that's that one. Does it have instruction? It has I guess I'll probably keep the cardboard just because it has instructions on how to refill it. I'm sure it's easy, and after I do it one time, I won't need to save that anymore. I think they're made in Japan, right? Because that looks like Japanese. I'm pretty sure Tombow is made in Japan. Oh, it probably says on here, doesn't it? Yep, made in Japan. Anyway, so let's go through Martha's book. Now I need to tone these down. Maybe turn that one off, turn this one back on. There we go. With that, that'll be good, right? I'm going to put you up a little more. I guess that's about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. So let's do this. I have not looked through here together. Illustrated by Martha Makes Art. There you go. I could even color this. And this book belongs to, and those. And then we have color swatches. The paper feels smooth. I know it's Amazon, but it does have a smooth feel to it. And stocking with hearts and swirlies on it. That would be pretty with, oh, well, never mind. I'll show you when I do it. I did gift my youngest granddaughter one of my Christmas coloring books because I knew I was getting this. I still have 2 or 3 other ones. Christmas tree with heart ornaments and a star. That book had this in front, and I learned that she decorated her bedroom with candy cane theme, red and white. She has a red and white fuzzy throw and a red and white stuffed candy cane. Yeah, and she has some lights up in her room. She's got a mini tree in her room, and she's what, 11, going on 12. I am behind. A Santa sack and a present. Martha, you really like hearts, huh? You've got hearts everywhere in your book. That's why it's called Christmas Love. Get it? Gingerbread love. So cute. So I hopefully can do this justice for you. I love that one. That's the one on the cover. But I might be a little intimidated, but it's good to see how you do things too. So that'll give me ideas. A sleigh. Presents with love. I'm going kind of quickly, sorry. Mittens with love. Bows, lovely bows. Little gingerbread house with the sweets and the hearts. So cute. The polar bear. The candle with the holly berries. The hot cocoa with the candy cane. Oh, you know what? My son last year from work, somebody at work, they do like Secret Santa. And you have to give like 3 items under $10 or something like that. I don't know, maybe 20. I forget. Anyway, he asked for flavored coffee. I don't know what he was thinking because he told me a couple weeks ago, "Well, I didn't really think I was going to get coffee that was flavored. I think he thought he was going to get flavor ringed pudding coffee." I'm like, you'd rather have a flavored coffee. Trust me on that. Anyway, It came in a set of 2 boxes side by side, and we're still working through it because we stopped drinking. We drank one of the boxes, and now I said, "Well, we need to start in November," and we did have 1 or 2 weekends where we're doing it only on weekends because he doesn't like the flavored coffee on work days. So he told me, "Oh, yesterday he told me, today would have been a good day to do a flavored coffee." I said, "Well, we'll do it tomorrow, and that way you have a day to get over that." So we're doing donut shop coffee today, but there's one flavor he's not gonna love, and it's candy cane coffee. I think we're gonna do that next week because there's other ones we have to get through too. I'm not big on flavored coffees except French vanilla latte. Yeah. I don't have it very often though. I can't have it from the mixes because they're too sugary. A pie with the cream on top, little heart cutouts, and an apple. So I guess it's an apple pie. Yummy. Cupcake. Sweaters. Do you see what I have on? I have a turtleneck underneath that because it is like 32 degrees and the wind chill's down around 20, mid 20s somewhere. Yesterday it was 43 degrees high. But with the wind chill, it felt like 29. This is Fahrenheit I'm talking about. 29 Fahrenheit. Winter has arrived, and all this week is going to be like that. So I don't know how much walking I'm going to get in. I have to go to the stores every day and walk around. You know, we have a almost deserted mall. I could go there and walk around, I guess. Oh, look at the adorable angel holding the little heart. So cute in the heart headband with a halo. That's precious. That might be one of the last ones I do because I have to do it justice. A little lollipop and the mint candies, and probably a peppermint stick too. The little elf. Look at the little tassels. A heart. So cute. For Santa cookies. My granddaughter made cookies. I didn't even have one. Carrot. A carrot. Oh, for the reindeer. Yes, duh. And milk. Or whatever, but usually milk with cookies. Belle and the little Nomi, so cute, also holding a heart. The reindeer. Now, that shouldn't be Rudolph, because he was just a little guy. That must be Dasher or Dancer or Prancer or Vixen. Anyway, hearts all over it. You can make it whoever you want. Santa. That's a pretty, I mean, a good-looking Santa. Some Santas aren't in images that I've seen. And a little toy train with the snow on top. Or maybe it's a train at Santa's village. Yeah. From Santa teddy bear. She snuck a teddy bear in here. The Nutcracker. I have 2 or 3 of those. I think one his hat kind of broke off, but I just stick it back on every year. Oh well. And check out her Teddy Bears Bold and Easy coloring book, which I just shared with you a minute ago. Another image you could color there. Follow her on YouTube. It's at Martha Makes Art. She's very artistic, obviously. Thank you for your purchase. And you could use some of these pages to do testing, but there is a test page in the front. Now these are single-sided, so you can use your markers, but you're going to have to put a thick piece of cardstock behind. Not, if you use copy paper, double it up at least. You know, like scrap copy paper or something. If you use cardstock, you only need one piece probably under it, but test it on like the test page or one of those back pages or something. So yeah, that's Martha's newest book. Thank you, Martha. And you can find this on Amazon, at least in the US. And it's the same price as the teddy bear book. So, you know, support Martha. It's Christmas season coming in tomorrow. Well, people, my daughter and their family, they have their tree up, and when we got to their house on Thanksgiving, they're doing something new this year. They have the start of her husband is putting together a PVC tunnel. So he's got like arches over the driveway heading up to their house. He doesn't have the lights on yet because he's going to add another one or two arches, PVC pipe bent into an arch. And then he has them hooked together somehow. I don't know. But he has it so he can take them apart. I was a little worried about the wind, but it stayed up the whole time we were there, so that's good. And they're going to put lights and I don't know what else. I think it's going to be candy cane style, like red and white. I think that's what Haley told me. So anyway, yeah, interesting, huh? Too much information. Maybe it was Courtney told me. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful weekend. Today is Saturday, the 30th of November, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.